Hello everyone, my name is Pai Freddy.
Samo kay Medyo boys.
My name is Pai Freddy. My real name is Jesse Albert. Nickname Pai Freddy. Pagliuti.
He is a normal boy.
Micho, midinyo. Okay.
This is the shoes of Cinderella. The brand shoes is Vans. It is 100,000 centavo. It is an Berato price, 100,000 centavo. He is the owner of this sandal.
Vince.
I am not funny. Ay tagak money.
Nana kayo ba? Empat nana. Vince.
Hoy, Mig, tawag ka. This is an adverb. Adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. They talk loudly. Example, he done beautifully. And this is Albert. Albert is a superhuman that do not long out.
Game. Iba yung pangalan.
My name is Tamparong Compound. My best friend is Albert.
Pai Freddy.
Pai Freddy. Juster, Jim. Oh. Thank you.
My name is Elizabeth Emaginay. I am 28 years old. I live in New York City, Australia.
And the pambansang kusin Luhang. I live in USA, California, Australia, North Pole. My favorite shirt is Barong.
And my favorite t-shirt is Barot Saya.
My favorite dance is Kalisa.
My favorite shoes is Uluk.
My favorite food is asin and bitsin.
But I'm Suyu and Suka.
Sugar and Central.
Kabin.
My hair is very long.
I have no hair. I am a monk.
Polly is have a long hair.
Okay everyone, I gotta end this video here. Stay awesome. High five.
Bayot, Albert!